Okay. You know, from my perspective, you're just going around in circles and circles. I would never find anything like this.
Yeah, it's not that easy. Only if you know this area or know this place, then yeah. Otherwise, it's difficult.
There's no highway that goes around the city either, it looks
No,
like.
no.
So everything's got to go through the streets.
Yes,
That sucks.
that is a big problem.
Yeah. Only if you're driving.
Sorry?
I said only if you're driving.
Yeah.
Yeah, whoever designed this wasn't thinking. I haven't seen one straight road.
Yeah.
Now I understand. Yeah.
It's 2 minute twist and turn.
Yeah, it's great. When I was